Hello and welcome to my channel. Good morning, internet. Please subscribe, and I invite you to join me to the next day of my journey with portraits, journey around Transylvania. Now we're at Bran city with the Bran castle. It's about Vlad Dracula. I don't know if you can see somewhere behind me the castle. I will show it to you later. Now we've made a few kilometers. It took us about 45 minutes, and our journey today just has started. So let's go, let's visit the city and let's make some portraits. No bueno. Excuse me, may I take your portraits? Yes. I'm a photographer and I do portraits of motorcyclists around the world. Okay? Please look there. And you had a cigarette in your mouth.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks a lot. And you are guys from Romania, yeah? Bulgaria. So, one more from here. Thank you. So, thank you, it was nice to meet you and good road. Poczekaj jeszcze, poczekaj. Tak, bo ja sobie zapisuję, kto jest skąd. Thank you and bye. Zobaczysz się tam. Normalnie na ulicę. I will send you pictures, okay? Guys, she said yes. So now we are at the beginning of Transfogarska road, through the Transfogaran mountains. Here's my wife, my bike, it's me. I got nothing wise to say. I hope you're enjoying the video. And what you can see there is Transylvania. A huge plain surrounded by mountains. So let's get climb on those mountains. Hello. May I take your portrait?
Yeah.
I got a photo project. Yeah, I usually portrait people on the streets, but now I got my bike, so I do portraits of other bikers.
Okay.
So if you don't mind, and if I can make you portraits, it will be very nice.
Sure.
If you can smile, thanks. Give me a while, please. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
So now I can do photos of you, yes?
Okay.
Okay.
Where are you from? Hungary.
You?
I'm from Poland. And only you individually, okay? Good lovely smile.
Magának csinálja, vagy valahol átadjuk
Thank you. And
Okay.
you.
Here or
No, it's okay here. Thanks and sorry for disturbing.
And it's okay. Where can we see the photo?
Yeah, I will send them to you.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Very
if you
good.
give me mail.
yeah.
Yeah.
So thanks very much for posing.
You say thank you.
No, I hope you will like pictures.
We will, I'm sure.
I must go to my wife, so I'm sorry.
Okay.
It was very nice to meet you. I will make some picture of her. Thanks. So this is Fogarska. As you can see, here's traffic there, but we did it. It's easier to go by the motorbike because you don't have to wait in the line, but it's also it was hard to ride here. So let's try to find some bikers, okay? Excuse me, may I take you a few portraits?
What?
May I take you a few portraits?
Yes.
It's my photo project. I usually photograph people on the streets, but now I took my bike and I do pictures of other bikers. So if you don't mind. No, please sit. Where are you from? From Romania. I'm first time on Fogarska and it was it's yes, first time here. It's normal to such a huge traffic.
This weekend.
So the day after tomorrow,
Try Transalpina.
tomorrow I will try Transalpina. Yeah.
It's much more better.
Could you please look at me? Thank you. Those boots are good for a bike, but not to walk the mountains.
Where are you from?
I'm from Poland.
Neighbors.
Yes, we're almost neighbors.
Because we're pretty similar in culture. We have the same culture.
Yes.
We're pretty similar in culture. The way how we do things.
I'm sorry, I was not. I wasn't prepared. You can. I know. Wait. Thanks a lot. There's a lot of words we got similar with Romanian. In Polish, śmietana is smetana, cherry is wiśnia, and you got also wiśnia. There's a lot, many words. Tak. You got also?
And dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry. And you got dupa, yes? It's later.
Yeah.
So in Polish is S. So yes. So you must be. I will try once more. Okay. Thank you very much. It was nice to meet you. Sorry for disturbing. My wife became angry, so I must take care of her. So when I be in Poland, I will make pictures. I will send them to you. It was nice to meet you, and have a nice rest of the day. Nice road too. Now we are at the other side of Fogary Mountains. It's evening, we are in a hotel. It's time to take a rest, so it means that this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, please subscribe. I hope you liked video footage, and I hope you liked portraits. See you in the next movie, next video, next episode.